Alright guys, I got a good one today. 2011 Nissan Murano. Customers complaining about rear windows are stuck in down position and customers unable to roll the windows up. Both rear windows are not working. This window is stuck down position. It's not going up. I was able to get the right rear window up. I will show you in a little bit how I did that. But before I go any further, I want to just point that out to you. Child lock is disabled, it's not enabled. So I verify that front two windows are working as designed. The rear windows are not working. You can roll it down, but when you pull up on the switches, nothing happens. When you go by the door switches, same thing, nothing happens. See, I can hear it. Motor wants to work, but it's not doing anything. So I looked at in the wiring schematic. Under scan codes, I did not see any codes. Under body control module, under different module, there were no codes at all. So I went under wiring diagrams. The diagrams are a little bit deceiving. Is deceiving. The information is horrible on these diagrams. I was not able to find out which wire goes for what, so I had to do a little extra work to find out what's going on. And this is what I found. So I work with the rear switch pins. It's a 5 connector pin. According to this diagram there, this is front power window, but if I go scroll, let's see, there it goes. So how it says rear power window motor left hand and rear power window switch right hand left hand. So anyways, this is a switch, and according to this, it shows it's got a little module, and then the motor itself has got an encoder and motor. And by looking at it, motor should have 6 pins. I only see 2 pins. Only see 2 pins on the motor, and then the connector itself has 5 pins, not 6. Yeah, I get it. There's some little options: M70, V26, 216. But in any case, if I go under third party wiring schematic, the colors are off as well too. So here's what I wrote down when I was testing the switches. The rear, that's a right rear window switch pins is a 5 pin, red hot with key on, engine off, or key on, engine running. Blue when switch is on a pull up or up position, there's a 12 volt should be there. When it's not pressed, there should be 0 volt. Same thing with that. Press down, 12 volt should be present, and in neutral position should be 0. Light blue and pink, you should see 12 volt when you're going up or down. You should see 12 volt when master switch is operated. So if you want to pull down, when you want to put the window down from the master switch on these 2 wires, you should see the voltages. Like I said, the diagram was not helpful at all. So what I did, I will show you guys exactly what I did over the on the right rear window. How did I operate it upwards? So we'll show you what I did. Okay, so this is a switch. This is a motor connector. 2 pins going. I'll show you what I'm doing over here. With this switch, nothing's happening. As you can see, I'm going up, down, nothing's happening. I checked the voltages. Again, it's 12 volt there if you do it with the test light, but when you're doing anything with the switch, nothing's happening. So long story short, what is happening is your master switch, that over there that's hanging, it's bad. If you have a bad master switch, it's not gonna your rear window is not gonna operate. What gave that away to me is when I was manually energizing with the power probe, going manually activating motor to go up. That's how I got the motor to go up, a window to go up. So when I'm operating with that, with the power probe, the motor was going up and down fine. Same thing with that door. So then, what are the cause of both motors going? What are the chances of motors going bad? Both of the motor at the same time. So that's why I stepped away from the motor aspect of it. Then again, same thing with switch constant. What are the chances of both switches going bad? So what I did, I took the master switch apart, and I found a burnt contact on both of the contacts on the rear windows. I ordered a brand new switch. I put the new switch in, and sure enough, windows are working the way it's supposed to be working. And I tried searching YouTube. No one had any videos like that, so I thought I should make a video and post it. So guys, or any of the shops are working and their Nissan windows are not working, especially both of them at the same time, chances are it's gonna be your switch. So I thought I want to bring it to you guys. And here's what I'm doing with the test light. There's a test light right there, and what I did, I'll go. So the key is on. Okay, good. So I want to see if the switch would work or not. Am I getting power or anything? And I wasn't getting anything. Like I said, so I started using power probe. Sure enough, everything was working fine. So I'm gonna, right now my test light is connected, and I'm doing up and down. Nothing's happening. Let me disconnect the motor. Okay, so motor is disconnected. My test light is connected. One to the ground and the other one is to the one of the motor wire. I think it's up wire or down, maybe, I'm not sure. But the point is, you see, I have down power, window would go down, and when I'm doing up, nothing's happening. So like I said, window would go down, but it will not go up. So here's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to plug in a brand new switch, and you'll see the window's going to start to operate as designed. Okay, so I have the brand new switch plugged in, and I'm going to press down on the switch, and you'll see the right rear window is going to go down. So there's a right rear window. It's going down, and he was complaining about not going up, and now it's going up. Now same thing with this stuck window. There you go. So there you have it. It's a bad master switch causing it, the whole kerfuffle. Like I said, the diagrams were not absolutely horrible, was not helpful. So this is what we aftermarket guys deal with. I might take switch apart and show you guys the burnt contact if time permits me to, but yeah, stick around, let's see. Alright, so I took the switch apart, and as you can see, these burnt contact. I don't know if my camera can focus it, but yeah, right there. And this was the whole cause of it. Windows are not going up. Well, hope you guys like it.